Central nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. It directs incoming messages to the motor neurons. It collects all the information from all the receptors in our body. This information is added together before messages are sent out to the effectors to give a more appropriate and more intelligent response to various situations. Brain. The brain is the highest coordinating center in our body. The brain is responsible for everything from storing information to coordinating body activities. Let's select the split view option to learn more about the parts of the brain. The brain is broadly divided into three regions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain. The forebrain consists mainly of cerebrum. Midbrain. The midbrain does not have any further divisions. Hindbrain. The hindbrain consists of three centers called pons, cerebellum, and medulla. Let's first learn about the forebrain. The forebrain, or the cerebrum, is the main thinking part of the brain. It is the side that is responsible for learning, reasoning, intelligence, personality, and memory. All our thoughts, sensations, actions, and movements are controlled by the cerebrum. It receives sensory information through receptors of sense organs. Then it interprets information in the light of previous experiences and then takes a decision which it thinks is right. Instructions are then sent out of the motor area so as to make voluntary muscles move to bring about the appropriate response. Let's move inside the brain to see how messages are transmitted. As you can see, the messages are transmitted in the form of electricity and chemical reactions. Now let's learn about the midbrain. The midbrain controls the reflex movements of the head, neck, and trunk in response to visual and auditory stimuli. It also controls the reflex movements of eye muscles, change in pupil size, and shape of the eye lens. Now let's learn about the hindbrain. The hindbrain coordinates the functions that are fundamental to survival. It consists of three parts: pons, cerebellum, and medulla. The pons takes part in regulating respiration. The cerebellum helps in maintaining posture and balance of the body. It also enables us to make precise and accurate movements. The cerebellum coordinates smooth body movements such as walking, dancing, riding a bicycle, etc. Medulla controls various involuntary actions such as heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, and peristaltic movements of alimentary canal. Medulla is also the controlling center for reflexes such as swallowing, coughing, sneezing, secretion of saliva, and vomiting. Now let's learn about the spinal cord. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is a cylindrical structure. The spinal cord begins in continuation with medulla and extends downwards. It is enclosed by a bony cage called vertebral column. Spinal cord is also surrounded by membranes called meninges. As many as 31 pairs of nerves arise from the spinal cord. It is concerned with spinal reflex action and the conduction of nerve impulses to and from the brain.